For Christine Wirtz, that short beep is the sound of relief.
It causes a pulse in the tongue. That way you know you've turned it on.
Relief thanks to positive results from this device that is now giving obstructive sleep apnea patients new hope as an alternative treatment.
You stop breathing. You just stop breathing. And some of my episodes were almost 2 minutes long, which puts a big strain on your body, on your heart.
The episodes are gaps in a person's breathing, and it happens when muscles in the throat over-relax, collapse, and seal a person's airway.
Most of the time it's quality of life, it's sleepiness, and the difficulty they have in maintaining an untroubled night's sleep.
For decades, the standard treatment has been this airway pressure mask known as CPAP. But like Christine, not all patients take to the mask as a long-term solution.
There's your CPAP.
Now, promising results from a recent study show us that upper airway stimulation therapy may be just the right treatment.
There it is, right there. See how it curls up and moves this way?
For patients with moderate to severe sleep apnea.
And that there were some people in whom, for all intents and purposes, their sleep apnea was cured not only numerically, that is, the number of events was less than 5, but they felt as though their life had been restored in terms of better sleep and reduced sleepiness during the day.
Researchers followed 126 participants who had this device, similar to a pacemaker for a heart, surgically implanted into their upper chest region. The technology sent a mild stimulation to a nerve in the neck, causing the tongue to stick out, preventing it from collapsing and keeping airways open all throughout the night.
And usually when it turns itself on, after I've hit the button, I'm deep asleep and don't even notice it.
And in general, it's the idea of individualized therapy. So for sleep apnea, not one size will fit all, and that this is one of our pieces of therapy that we have.
To put sleep apnea patients' symptoms to rest. Jennifer Guerrieri, University Hospital's Case Medical Center News Service, Cleveland, Ohio.